Okay, we're back on the motor. So we got the lifter blocks all blasted and cleaned. Then he scrubbed them and screwed them all up. Had to blast them again. So now they're clean again. So quit blasting them and clean them. We got some new S&S gaskets. And then we got some new S&S lifters. We're trying to decide what to use, because these have limiters on them. That's what the HTLL thing is right there is all about. So that means they're limited to about 50 thou total travel at most, if that much, which is about 1 turn of compression, and then they're done. So they're a lot harder to deal with. So these will come in the Chevrolet kits. These are what they use for hot rod motors that they don't have anymore. But somehow they keep coming up with them because they keep making these kits up. So the only reason I can think you'd run a hot rod lifter, race lifter type thing in this is low oil pressure. If you have very low oil pressure, it can't bleed down very far because it has a very limited travel. So that kind of stops it from bleeding. You get about 15 thou clearance, most you can get. The problem is that's also about all you got for expansion. You have maybe 30 thou of actually height adjustment for heat, and then you run, then they get loose too and start knocking and rattling. Stock, they have about 100 thou compression, so you got plenty of room to go up and down, and the valves will always stay adjusted correctly. So I put them together both ways, and he hasn't told me which way he wants to go yet. He wants me to make the decision for him.
Exactly.
So we're going to run the S&S cam in it. That was mild, 236 duration. So it's not a hot rod cam. So, and I'm pretty sure we shimmed the gas, the oil pump up pretty damn good.
Mm-hmm.
So she has some oil pressure. Probably not a lot, but for a panhead, it's pretty good pressure. For an Evo, it's probably not that much. Probably low oil pressure. Limited, unlimited. What's the difference?
Limited have more components in it.
The washer right there is a limiter. It's about 1/8 inch tall. Oh, that's the limiter.
Right.
That's how much travel you lose to. So that's pretty much the difference. So this one here shows this piece here looks like it's 2 pieces, 1 piece, but these are actually looking a little different in here, which is surprising, but these are all the same. Hey, somebody's been in here before. These have been opened up. Do you think maybe we took the limiter out already?
Don't think so.
Don't think so?
Not when I was here.
Oh, we just mocked them up.
No, we didn't even. That's the first time I've seen them out of the pack.
Well, it's been opened before because I didn't have to use this little tool. Anyway, you basically take them apart, and if you don't lose all the parts, you're good. If you lose the parts, you're screwed because you can't buy them separate. I have lost parts before. I use these ones. Alright, so you can have that. You have a small screwdriver. Oh, Scooby's not going to be happy.
Mm.
What's that Phillips we had earlier?
Big one, small one.
Yeah, one of them. That's not a Phillips.
Oh, sorry.
That looks like a Phillips. It doesn't go down very good. That's not going to be very easy to get apart. Yeah, if it doesn't move, it's going to be really hard to get apart. Which means it's going to go bluing and blow all over the place. Need a rag. Get a rag? Got a hole in it yet?
Nope. Because I've been using it, not you.
Yeah, I have a rag here. right there. Doesn't want to come out. Of course, I can't see what I'm doing. There's no hole in it.
Right.
Oh, see, there's a hole in there now. Two holes. There's one big one. Oh, look at that. There's a hole in there. I can see better. The trick is not to lose the clip. I have been known to do that. On the clip. I don't feel it moving at all. Moving. Clip's hot though. It's hard to deal with. I can't see anything. Let's see which ways I can open up. These screwdriver's tight. This screwdriver gets loose.
Want me to try and hold something?
Yeah, push down the screwdriver a little bit. Trying to get the clip to pop out, but it appears it won't come out. There we go. Partially out already. Too big. Flat blade, the small one. We're using a snap ring style instead of the wire style.
Oh, right.
Trying to pop out like a wire style, which is not helping. So, see, I'm partially out. It's stuck on there. So now you get to try it with the snap ring pliers, which don't fit easily. They're going the right way. dark always helps. Oh, I can see now. Toast. It's not helping me at all. Do it the old-fashioned way. Just press with your finger. Be careful. All right, what do you got for parts? Oh, you got oil in there. I see no limiter though. Looks like the limiter is not in here anymore. I suppose you're lying to us, man.
It's definitely a possibility.
No limiter. It's full of oil though. Oh,
There it is.
there's a limiter. I thought the limiter was on top. I thought they were on the top, not the bottom. Obviously, I was wrong. If you notice, we don't have this, we have this style.
Mm-hmm.
See, two pieces. So the picture is not correct either. See, now I got tension to deal with. More opportunity to lose parts. Need a small Phillips. Up and down now. See, this is where you can have fun.
Want me to hold it? I'll hold the light.
Yeah, some light would be good. If it had some nails, it would work. See, I didn't use our stupid tool to compress and put the snap ring in. I use my fingers, so. Oh, it goes up and down now. Imagine that. Clip rotated, so it's in the groove. It's been converted to a open system now. So now it's been converted to a non-limiter. So now we can adjust it like a real motor instead of their way. I'm sure they tell you how to do it in here. Somewhere. Oh. You can easily tell the difference by looking at it. What's the difference? They both have snap rings.
Different style of snap ring. That looks like it's fully round. This one has the...
This has a bigger looking hole in it. There's a snap ring right there.
But see how that one... This one has the little
Oh, it's got the
side part.
side part on it. Oh, okay. Maybe that's how they identify it. The line you can't tell.
Exactly. The telltale sign is
Somebody is modified.
now misleading.